find solace in the mountain air so pure. On this journey of self-discovery, where my soul feels sure. Now the summit's in my sight, the clouds begin to part, revealing truths I buried deep within my heart. The mountains taught me well in its majestic grace. In the climb I found myself in this sacred place. Through the climb